Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chase with Qualify. I just want to give a huge shout out to Speedtolead, man. This platform's absolutely insane. I've used multiple competing platforms, everything from Zappy Chat to Closebot to there's been a couple other ones. I mean, you name it, I've tried them, man. I'm personally in the solar industry. We've really been looking for a really good AI product just because of the qualification process when talking to potential prospects. It's pretty in depth, so it's hard to find a product that can really nail the prompting along with the qualification. I think the Speed Elite has done that beautifully. I have a customer's account pulled up here, and you can see just how much we've been using this thing. This has been we've had this account for about a month. We've been able to book anywhere from, let's see, we reached out to about 3,000 like age prospects. We were able to land about 116 booked appointments. Those were pre-qualified, so literally Speed to Lead does the whole job, shoots it off to my client, and they just show up for the appointment. Shane and Eugene have been great to work with. Anytime I have any questions, they answer right away. They'll hop on calls with me. They'll help set things up. This new goal tracking feature that they just released is absolutely insane. The templates, that's super huge. Overall, I mean, this product it's absolutely great, and I know the guys at Speed to Lead know it because I'm always telling them through email. So, it's a pleasure for me to hop on here and give these guys a review, man. It's been a great experience, and I plan on being a lifetime customer. So, if you're looking for an AI platform that is truly going to do what they say it's going to do, then Speed to Lead is your go-to product.